While the world he inhabits is, in some respects, counterfeit, there's nothing fake about Truman himself.
Tell me what's happening!
Well, you're having a nervous breakdown. That's what's happening.
You're part of this, aren't you?
Truman!
Meryl!
You are scaring me!
You're scaring me, Meryl. What are you gonna do? Dice me? Slice me and peel me? There's so many choices!
Do something!
Who are you? I am the creator of a television show that gives hope and joy and inspiration to millions.
Then who am I?
You're the star.
Oh, and in case I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Oh, and in case I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.